Well, I'm back. It's now Saturday now, and I did not too much sprayding, but I think you might be able to see the PE bits. Don't know if I can get a bit closer. Hanging off there. I think you're not going to see them, are you? But oh, you can see them bit just about now. See those little brass bits across this bit across here. I don't want to touch it too much. Across there, I've got. Oh, you can see a bit of all those little PE bits are on there. There's 4 in total, so that's done. I've actually done that off camera because it was fiddly. I lost a couple because it flew, but luckily there was enough spares, and so that's okay. Of course, I've got the other PE set, I suppose, there as well. But what I have had come today is this version. Quite like the look of that, and obviously you'll be able to see the tracks more, so I should have to really make a better job of that, definitely. But it looks so nice like this, and with the tracks like this, and that's exactly why they were rubber band, and that's why I still think they should have been rubber band tracks on this kit as well. But there you go, they didn't do it, so we have to live with what you got. So looking forward to that. So that'd be quite an interesting to be this building like this, but obviously with a small bit. And I've got the Artic one coming as well, which I quite like. Yep. So I think what happened on there is basically this bit here actually didn't come down far enough. Very slightly, should have come down a bit lower. So and then it would have fitted. So I've learning all the time, and this was most probably a way to do it. But yeah, right, here we go. So what we're going to be doing now. Now we've got to put that over there now. Now we've got to get on with this bit, and you can see down here we've got to be doing this gear leverage, and then do the chairs, and then put this leverage in as well to the side, and there is a hole there already. So there's a hole where it goes, and you put the chair in. So I'm going to do the 4 chairs, but I'm going to do this bit first. Then all these little brackets, P brackets, that go on the back of the seat. And then we go moving over it, and that's what it is, and then we drop this down. But we've already done that bit, which is a bonus. So whoops, I'll move that over. There's a bonus, so we've already done that bit. So then we move on to this bit, and we start building the side of the pontoons, the bits that comes around the side, and carrying on all the way through. Quite a few more fiddly bits to do, but not too bad. We'll get through it. So right, we're going to go back to this because this is the bit we're going to be doing. So I've got to get the parts for this. And their parts, what's this part? Oh, it's up here. It's E, and they're all E's. And then we've got a P part that's got to be bent. So that's okay. So we've got to get we've got to get the E screw out. I did have them up, but I've cleaned the bench up and took off the grey bit. So it's just a 4 marker top now. So where's my E? Here's the E. So what I'm going to do now is switch off now, because I've got my re-sprue here. I'm going to cut them off, clean them up, and then I'll come back when we're putting them together. So here we go. See you in a few seconds. Well, I'm back, and I had cut the pieces on, and they were so finicky, and I had to do a lot of trimming to get this all to fit into position, including this rod over here had to be trimmed and done as well. Excuse me. So, but I got the levers in the end, and if I don't know if it's going to show very much. But they all link up in and perfect, but you had to trim, and I thought they'd just fit into position as they did, but they didn't. So I've had to do them. I've finally got it in. I bent the brass round, and that's okay. And I did get one chair just to go, and I'll do the others on video. But there's only 2 parts of it, so that's okay. And if I just drop that into place now, that's what it would look like when it's done. I might even do a bit of an indentation in the cushion to give it a little bit more use. But yeah, so there you go. I can do the decal, so I won't put the chair in place until the end, but I can actually do that. So that's actually see moved anyway. So quite happy with that. So we come out again. Let's get to come back out. So what we're going to be doing now, if I put that over there to try a little bit, what we're going to be doing now is coming over here. We've done all that. We've got to get these chair bit on, which I haven't done yet, and to make the other chairs up. And they are, I think they're all the same. They all fit everywhere. I don't know, I haven't tried them yet. No, there's one. No, there is a slight difference because that one's slightly different. So you've got to make sure you put the right bottoms on. Anyway, that makes it. So I'm going to be doing that tomorrow. I'll be doing that on video. Actually, I will do that tomorrow on video. It is Sunday, so I should do a little bit on this, and then I'll go straight back on to the triple O, I think it's called triple O, isn't it? Yeah, triple because it's the triple SGS66, the amphibious one, which is my Sunday build. But I just want to do the chair, so I've done that, and then this bit here will be all done on this two sections. It just tidies it up, and then I'll get on with the triple, which is, just let me show you. Whoops. Is this little devil. So that's the one I'll be doing. So right, I'm going to switch off now until tomorrow morning, and I'll catch you on the next update. And so quite pleased with that, the way that's gone so far. We're not doing too bad, and if I can pull that over there, because that bit's done. And that's what we've been working on. See you in the next segment, and the next segment might most probably be an update for this one. Right, we're back, and I'm going to be doing the seats now. I've actually cut them off like this because they've got to be built separately, because basically they do sit in different areas, so to get right chairs. Now the one in the front's okay, I can do that one, leave that unmarked because it's okay. But what I want to do now is basically put underneath the seats here, oops, because there's three. There's only three actually. I don't know why I've got four here. Perhaps it's one of the other ones. Right, so we want this one here. So we're going to do this one. Right, it's 56. So 59. That one's already been done down there, and then it goes E6. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's funny. Anyway, I'll just build the seats up, so it's, because they're all different, slightly different. Really weird. So that's it. It's because I've got the spare kit and I must have used the wrong sprue, so that's okay. So if I go 59's done, I won't throw the seat away, because you never know, these seats might come in handy. 59, and then the other one is, this one up here is 58, and 58 now it's gone. Good, now we can get back into business. Now we've got the three we need left. Right, here we go. So this one now is 59, that's that one, and now we've got, so we're coming up with these numbers, so they must be the same. If they are, I ain't gonna worry about it. It says 56, 56, and right, here we go. So we're gonna have to put 56 in this one. So if we do this, well, I'm gonna just rock, whoops, oh dear, that's okay. We'll put 56 in this one, is it? Yeah, 56. I don't know if it's going to work. I'll just put a star there. Or we just build them up, and it's ridiculous, isn't it, having numbers on them, and then they're most probably the same. So right, we go. Where's my lid? There it is. Now, I thought it was meant to be a fine tip, it says, and it's not fine tip, is it? It doesn't matter. Right, so we go. So this one is going to be 56, and so that's the back plate. So these must be all the same, and they are. Right, here we go. So let's knock these off. There you go. So clean them up. I'll do the clean up later, but I've got to do one. So I'm going to come back in a minute and I'll have them all cleaned up, ready to put together. Here we go then. Right, I'm back, and I've put two together, as you might be able to see now. I've got 56 in that one, 55, which is the centre seat and is slightly bigger, and the 57. So just going to do the 57 now. That's been sanded up and cleaned up. Got to get this one off here. So, you know, so I'm going to get this one, and I'm going to go in from this way. Done. I might be able to get a bit more of this off now from this one. That's it. And then we've got to get a bit of a knife going and get stuck into the, whoops, I'll put that over there because I know I'm going to knock it over. So get into this bit here and get that bit of sprue off. It's terrible. You'd think they'd have put it on the bottom, you know, the actual joins, but never mind. Part of modelling, not to do it. Right, now I'll get my sandy stick and go into there at an angle. Just try and get that down. It's going down slowly, and I will be running a bit of extra fin over this later on to give it that little bit. That one's okay. Just got to get this bit over here side. There you go. Run the sand around it a bit, just to get any flash off. But of course, when you put that extra fin over it, it goes. Now, there is a bit of brass bits that could go on the back of all the seats. But I haven't got to worry about the one there because that is. There you go. I should do that one last. Basically, going to be a nice bit of glue over here. Oh, I forgot to do one thing. I always sand that peg because it makes the seat sit too far away from it. So I'm just knocking that peg back a bit. You can see. Put a bit more glue on there. Right, and slot it into place. That's it. Then it's coming in there nicely. There you go. And then push again. You lean it back fractionally, just fractionally, to get it to go right around. That's sealed now. And put it into, whoops. Is it still okay? Here it is. Put it into there. Now what them seats will get to it a bit of extra fin run around the side, and I'll do that in a second. So I'll do it on the first one. And what it is to get this to all go into itself, and I'll use this one here and whoops, and go across. Oh, you can see it, yeah, of course you can. Just smooths it down a bit. That's it. And do the same the other side. It will go into it, but the good thing is once it's all done, it's all finished. Let's put it back in the right one. It's the same one. It's the cushion that's actually slightly bigger on this one, I must admit, because it is slightly bigger. So I don't know why. Do the other side. Run that around anyway, just some. Give it a little blow. And that's dry, and then this one's just been done, but we'll do it now. So they're all done. Swap it round. Right, that's the other one done. So now we've got our 3 seats done, because the other one was done already. And now what we've got to do now, let's put that over there out of the way, and that one. What we've got to do now is get these parts, there's brackets TP16, there's 4 of them, they go on all the seats, including this one and all these as well. And it doesn't show you them going on these seats until you get over here. Where is it? Yeah, there you go. Oh, yeah, there it is. So if I bring it up, you'll see what I mean. It shows you these brackets here, the ones we take going straight on there, and it's TP16, there it is, and tells you that they're going on the back of the seats. So we need to do those, and I'm going to cut those off in a minute. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to call that it for this update, because basically we're in a situation where I'm having too much material. So what I'm going to do is this and switch off. Now this is meant to be my Sunday build, but my Sunday build is going to be done tomorrow on Monday. I know it sounds a bit odd, but I thought to myself, I've already got bits laying on the bench, I might as well do this, and so that's what I've done. Right, so that's the end of it. This is update 5, I believe, on this one. So I'll see you in the next update, and happy modelling and stay safe, everyone.